Here's the Honda Accord. Let's go ahead and get started. In order to change the cabin air filter, we have to first open up the passenger side door, open up the glove box. Whatever you have in the glove box, just take it out all the way. Now there's dampener arm on the side. We need to get it out of the way. So push it down. It's unclipped and now push it out. Now the glove box is held in place by the two stoppers, one on each side. We need to squish it inwards and then one also from the other side, right, in all the way, get it off. That's the stopper, one on here and the second one on the other side there. Now that is the cover. Presses one clip and this cover comes off. From here, press the clip on the other side and then the cover comes off completely. Set it aside, grab the filter and simply slide it right out, and out it comes. The top side of the filter is the dirty side, outside air comes from the top, all the dirt gets trapped there, clean air from the bottom goes into the vehicle. Check the link in description to buy the new one from Amazon for yourself. Let's go ahead, put the new one back in, and it only goes in the one orientation that I'm showing. See this? See the orientation of the filter? If you don't do it right, it's gonna stick out and it won't sit in properly. Now let's just put the cover back on and then press it from each of the sides to engage the clips. Try pulling the cover out. This is good. Now to get the glove box back in place, just give it a firm push. Good. Now the stoppers are back in their place. Grab this dampener arm, pull it out all the way, and now push it from the bottom. It clips. Try this out. This is working good, and that's pretty much it. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.